today's little problem. Goldwing. Went out for a ride yesterday, and while I was riding, there was like a high-pitched squeal coming from the tachometer. I put the shield back on the windshield today, and it's got even louder. So it means it was actually the tacho itself, the actual gauge. So I've disconnected that and put some oil down there. I'm going to try and reconnect it so you can see. Let's try. Get a bit closer. So I've cleaned the drive with carb cleaner because it's all I had really, and blown it out with the compressor, the air from the compressor. And I think I'm going to try and put a little bit of graphite powder in there, see if that quietens it, but we will see. I think that's enough. Some come out. Let's yeah, there's some in the hole there. Let's get it back together and see how it works. Right, let's see if some graphite and some brake cleaner fixed it. Go out. So there we go, I got the bike back together. While I was there I found that my little kind of daytime light, that wasn't working, so I changed that. You probably saw one of the gauge lights wasn't working, so I changed that. Finally got around to putting this on. Put my windshield back on. And we're going to go for a ride now because that's what the damn thing's for. It's only a little one, this. Just a little bit of a goldwing maintenance. So, yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.